In this video, I'll show you how you can check how much money you've spent in League of Legends. Now first what you want to do is head over to support.riotgames.com. From in here you want to log into the account that you want to check, and from in here what you want to do is scroll down until you find submit a ticket. Now don't worry, we're not going to submit an actual ticket and wait for the response, but you need to do this. From in here you want to choose League of Legends. Come down and choose right here. You want to choose account management, data request or deletion. From in here you want to choose PC. Select your inquiry, do formal personal data request. And then here you want to choose I want to know how much money I've spent with Riot Games. After here you just want to press show me the money and it's gonna show you. Now on this account I've spent 32 euros, and that's because this is my other account where I haven't spent as much money. Now that's basically how you can check it, guys. It's super simple, super easy. You just head over to the website and follow these simple steps. Now you don't need to actually submit a report. You can just take this and do whatever you want with it. So you can just close this down after. Now that's basically how you can check it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.